Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading and this is your July the 11th to July the 13th reading. No? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. Please hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video. No? Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron din po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. And I want you to know, that Sagittarius, that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? So, Sagis, ang nakikita natin dito, parang merong gustong humingi ng tawad. Parang hanggang ngayon, mahal na mahal ka pa rin niya, no? Sabihin natin na itong taong ito is medyo lumayo, nawala, so there is actually a separation between you and this person, no? Ang nakikita ko dito, Sagittarius, chances are meron ng hindi kayo nag-uusap, possibly either naka-block, no? What I am seeing in here, I think that this person realized, no, na ganun ka pa rin niya kamahal, no? Na meron pa rin siyang nararamdaman para sa iyo. And in fact, I think that this person loves more. Parang mas na-miss ka nito, mas lalong lumalim, no, ang kanyang feelings for you. I believe that this person probably went really far, sabihin natin, out of the country, umuwi ng probinsya, na sana all napag-out of the country or umuwi ng probinsya, or literally talagang nagtago. I think that this person realizes that they made a wrong decision, ano? Katulad nung parang sinasabi ko kanina na mas lalong lumalim itong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. I think gusto nitong magpakita ulit, humingi ng sorry. There's something here about either fiesta, celebration, that these persons remember. No, I think that's one of the greatest memories of this person had. It could be, that your family also invited this, no? Parang sinabi niya, hindi lang isang tao, no? Itong aking pinakawalan. So, I'm missing everyone, but most especially, I am missing you, no? Sabi niya dito. With the Empress, the Two of Wands, and the Four of Wands. Sagis. Chances are, alam mo, itong taong to, medyo meron pa rin siyang idea kung anong ginagawa mo. So, medyo updated, no? So, either nag-stalk siya sa'yo, nakikita niya pa rin itong social media mo, no? But I think, or nagtatanong-tanong siya, no? Sa ibang tao regarding you. Lately, something changed. Either nagpagupit ka ng buhok, nagpakulay ka ng buhok, also, let's say, nagpa gain ng weight, ikaw, no, or nagpa-lose ng weight, it doesn't matter. Medyo napapansin niya na medyo natutulala ikaw, no? Or meron siyang, either picture na medyo, alam mo yung mga profile picture na nakatingin sa iba, yung parang ganon, no? But this person loves how you are taking care of yourself, no? Even though na wala siya sa tabi mo. With the Four of Wands, I also feels like this person assume na lagi kang nasa bahay, no? So chances are probably you're not also posting anything because of the regeneration in here. Um, siguro you are healing yourself, no? Ito yung tinatawag nating tinatry mong i-heal yung sarili mo. And I think that you are on your way towards healing. With the judgment and the wheel of fortune, I think that you are, siguro sinabi mo sa sarili mo, um, stop muna ako sa relationship, no? Ah, magfo-focus muna ako sa aking trabaho or finances, no? Um, the wheel of fortune is, I mean, signifies abundance, that's for sure. It could be that we are literally focusing on our abundance, the money or career. Abundance kasi is very vague, di ba? Abundance may also mean that, I mean, you're taking care of the family. No, focus muna ako sa family because my abundance is my family. Or I am discovering new things. The Empress also signifies giving birth of a new idea. So chances are meron ka ngayong mga pinagkakabalahan, whether it is business, whether it is a new hobby, no? So let's check other cards here. So while I am shuffling, I want you to know, guys, na meron pong nagpapanggap na ako sa TikTok, no? Okay lang po bang humingi rin ako ng tulong, no, sa inyo na i-report? I'll put the link in the comment section kasi may nakaka-report, nag-report na sa akin yung ibang na biktima niya, no? Humihingi, ano yung nag-Gcash, humihingi ng pera. So, and using my videos, using my videos. So, identical yung account namin. So, hingi lang ng tulong, paki-report naman po. Nasa comment section, ipopost ko po yung link para po ma-report ninyo. So, going back, the remember. So, malaki talaga yung chances na itong taong ito either kung hindi ikaw. Or I think that this is a mirrored energy na parehas naman kayong welcome sa family, no? I think mas close pa nga ikaw, no, kesa sa sarili niyang magulang or kapatid. 'Di ba? Parang you become part of the family as well. Nakakahinayang lang kasi ngayong situation na ito, you end up in separation, no? With the Ten of Swords, the Star, the World card. I feel like this person also, sabihin natin, nag-charge, no? Ng kapal ng mukha. Just kidding. Charging their courage, siguro. Yan. I think that's the best word, courage. Para makapagpakita sa'yo ulit. Yung iba sa inyo, Sagis, you feel like it's already over. I already wasted my time. I'm going to focus on new things in life, no? But somehow, for a few numbers of you, with the star as well, kasi dalawa itong Sagittarius, di ba? Hati kayo sa sa months. So, partly, what I am seeing in here is someone is going to also give this person a chance. I think that this person is going to show up by next month. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. The Justice is here and the Two of Coins. So kahit na nangako, kahit na seryoso pa, no? Kahit nandun yung sincerity ni person, I feel like the most numbers of you is not really going to take the person. I'm done, no? I'm so over. So parang kahit or kahit nangako siya, hindi mo agad siya tatanggapin for those people, for those Sagittarius na tatanggapin ito uli. I believe na medyo mahihirapan itong makabalik. No, there will be tests that the Sagittarius is going to do with the lovers in here and the Five of Wands. So, Five of Wands is also clarified by the Emperor and the Five of Cups. So, parang magkakaroon dito ng um, energy of pulling, no? Yung parang naghihilahan because you're gonna take your power back. Ang nakikita ko dito, hindi na pwede yung dating siya ang nasusunod na laging nasa kanya ang pabor, no? Um, I think that's one of the regret, no, na medyo nag-ano tayo, hinayaan din natin. No, we gave so much power to this person na kapag sinabi niya wag ka pumunta dito, hindi ka naman pumupunta, no? Wag mo isuot 'yan, no? Hindi sa iyo bagay, yung ganyan. So you believe. Ngayon, not anymore for those people naman na willing, no, to embrace this person back. Uh, so I hope for those people, no, na really wanting to move forward. Kasi made up yung decision nila. The justice is here, you're doing a good thing. I'm not saying that those people who's taking this person back is making a bad decision because again, yung justice, no, napaka-sincere naman. And I believe na gagawin nila talaga. Ang chances are makikipaghilahan kayo dito ng, no, you cannot control me anymore, no? Let's see here kung ano ang... So parang kahit mo makaawa, no? It's either hindi kita tatanggapin or pahihirapan kita para makabalik, no? I'm giving you a test. Tignan natin ang message, no? Either this comes up your feeling or your person's feelings. I wish you could be together, but it's complicated. So, I believe that this is yours, no? Hindi na kasi nga katulad ng dati, yung nararamdaman ko, no? I truly wanted to gain self-respect in this connection, no? For those people, lalo na those people who would love to move forward, yeah, for old time's sake, hindi naman kita ganun sobrang kinamumuhian, no? Pero iba na yung situation natin ngayon. I wish, no, maibalik, pero not anymore, no, kumbaga is na lang siyang panaginip, no? What's the point of it all? So mas lamang sa lamang. Ang dominant energy dito is I'm gonna leave it behind, no? What's the point of accepting you back, no? Embracing you once again in my life if you're gonna do the same shit, no? Yeah, that's the energy. But let's see the zodiac sign of the person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I am seeing Libra, Taurus, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Gemini, Aries, Pisces, Leo. Yeah, so yun po, no? So again, paki-report po, no? Baka kasi pag may nangyari, may stop din itong reading natin, no? Kapag lumala pa itong pagpapanggap ng impostor, no? Paki-report po nasa comment section. All you just have to do is to copy the link, no? Tapos, you're gonna be routed to the page. Paki-report na lang po. Again, this is your reading Sagittarius for July 11 to July the 13th. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Nagla-live po tayo doon, may mga readings po tayo doon. Check all the videos, no? May playlist naman po, no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, sa comment section po, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Sagittarius, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa description box po there is a link. All you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website, no? Nandun po yung information, how much per question, the QR code, modes of payment, yun lang po, no? Yun lang ang tanging modes of payment, no? And if you also want to book a personal reading or private reading, nandun din po yan, no? Sa description box. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Sagittarius.